Hi, Future John here. I'm not exactly happy with the way these videos turned out, so I'm going to change the format in the future. I have two more videos that are going to be the way I was doing them, and then after that I'm just going to kind of do a quick overview update about what I got done, and go from there. And I might try to make these more consistently timed to give myself like a timetable instead of just kind of whenever. But we'll see what happens after these two videos post and I get on to the next part. But thank you for watching.
Okay, now we're on to Introduction to HTML and CSS. You might have noticed that I had some trouble remembering everything about that Git class. And in my experience, for me personally, I learned better after I've done it a few times, and I haven't done all of that enough to really master it. And there's a lot more that goes on into it. And this is the same true. This is true with HTML and CSS. I may have started CSS yet, but the HTML, you really start to understand it more once you start getting into CSS, and CSS you'll start to understand more once you start getting into JavaScript and the harder stuff. The harder stuff teaches you the easier stuff. That's the way I've always really understood it. Like, you get a basics idea when you're learning it. You don't really understand it until you start working on the harder things, and then you really learn those easier concepts. So this is just a basic overview of HTML and CSS. HTML is like the base, CSS is like the makeup, I guess, and then JavaScript is like the brain. I don't really know if that's a good analogy, but that's my basic understanding of the stuff that I don't know. And we'll go on to elements and tags. This is the basic stuff. So program, or we've got paragraph, starts with P, that's where you put all your content. And that's all this one really goes over. Your boilerplate, that's your beginning file stuff. So we're going to do that. Let's create this boilerplate. Okay. So we're still in our Git test, right? And we're going to create our index. So touch index.html, right? And that creates the index file, and I typed it correctly. Okay. And then we can go to document type. This is something about older HTML. HTML element. And this is just what it says it is. I don't like rereading things. I'm really horrible about this. Like I said, I tend to trust myself to learn this stuff better when I move on to the next thing. Language attribute. That makes sure we can improve accessibility for people who have trouble. Okay, this is where we get into the head element, and then made a character set, which is how the web page is encoded, I guess. Don't fully understand what that means, but we'll get there. Title, element. This is kind of what it all looks like. Body element, go after head, or after the head, and then you can open it in your browser. Let's do that. This is your code. HTML index.h. Open up our index, and we're going to create this document type. And you can do this wonderful thing where it does it for you. I could have typed all that out, but I don't really want to. Just exclamation point, enter, and it will give us our initial. And we can do my second web page that I already made. And we have our body. And then if we hit save, save set. We have two. Oh, there's a T in that. Did I mistype? Oh, I mistyped when I created it. I didn't even need to do that apparently. I did that wrong. So remove index t.html. Yeah, okay, good. Miss all that. Okay, so we're back here. I didn't need to do the touch. I guess actually, if you read through this, it says that. Or it doesn't tell you to do the touch, I just did it. Just so we have this file. We need to right click and copy path. I think that's kind of cool. And then just go there, and it shows my second web page. That's the title. There's nothing on it, because I didn't put anything on it. But then we can go and put something here in our title, or our header. So we'll just do a H1 header, largest header setup, and we can say, hello, YouTube. And control save, and then refresh this, and there's the title. I know, there's not a space in YouTube, whatever. Anyway. This is talking about the shortcut and the assignment. Build your first web page video. You can go through all this stuff. It's kind of neat. Here's working with text. So body, you can create paragraphs, headings, bold text, italicized. So this is just, if you just type it, it's just going to pop out there on a single line. It's not going to know what to do with it. If you create paragraphs, that's where you get those spaces and then headings. And then this is if you want to bold something and then put it in a paragraph as well. You can bold certain words, emphasize text, and this uses N, emphasized, instead of italics, which I think is another thing, but I haven't done that before. Nesting indentation. You want to just make sure that this is kind of nested so it's easy to read. Makes it just easier whenever you're reviewing your code later, or somebody else is looking at it. And comments. How to make a comment. So it uses this, and you don't close the tag until after the comment. Okay. And lists, UL and LI. UL is the unnumbered list, and LI is the list. So that's how it's unnumbered with a dot. Ordered lists. Oh, unordered. Sorry, not unnumbered. Unordered. Ordered has a number. It says an order. And then links. We're going to do A. A is a link. But you need to reference something. So you do href. Reference the website, and then that'll link back. I say create a link. And close out the tag. We're going to do all this stuff in a bit. Now, actually, we'll do it now. So, relative links. We can do an about page. So let's go ahead and create this about page. Code about.html. Or about. page, say about, and under the body. This is coming from the index, so we go back index. We can say in the body. HTML, and it'll reference this page. About. And then that's already closed. This is close this up for you. Right here, let's say header. About me. Go with this me, I, and me. Okay, I'm gonna save that. Let me save that. We can actually refresh this. Now we have an about. And open the about page. So we have links created, and apparently I got a little crazy with this open close. Oh, that's where it is. This is, yeah. Got myself a linked page, and you can also create. This also talks about how you should probably organize your files. We have linked pages, or your pages in a separate file, as opposed to the base file. We can do that here. Let's do unique directory pages, and we see move the md about.html. I think it is move, and do that, and then you do pages and ls. Yeah, and you can see pages ls. It's right there. And then we go back here for index and change this to pages about. Save that. Go back here. Let's see, I didn't do anything to that. So refresh. Look at that. There's the about. Oh, did not find the file. So I did something wrong. And my speed throughout the dot. The dot. The dot. There we go. All works. And you gotta add images. You gotta download all your images and deal with all that. But we can go back here and see and do make directory images. So we have our images and our pages in a separate directory. We can download a bunch of images. We'll do that in a bit. Oh, I think you should follow this. Oh, excuse me. I'll edit that out. Alt attribute. Oh, yeah, you want to make sure that you add this alt attribute to the image so people who can't see it well have a description. It's good practice for your websites. So, your image sizes, you look for here. Okay. Kind of going through this. commit messages. Make sure you talk about what you actually did in your commits, so people know what you're doing. And then we're going to go to this project recipes and go ahead and create this project recipes. We're going to do a new repo. So we're done with that test. So back to this repo and do make a new directory. I'm going to call it Odin recipes. Okay. Oh, whoops. I did not know. We're going to go here. Go back to this. Make a new one called Odin recipes. I'm just trying to get through the HTML section so I can get onto something I haven't gone through before. So let's do this for real. Okay. It's gonna be basic design. We're gonna do that. Make it public. Add a readme. Create repository. Code. SSH. Copy that. Come over here. And then remove Odin recipe. I did that wrong way. Recipes. Oh. Okay, so we were get test. And we're gonna get clone. On that. If I remember correctly. Let me just scroll back up. Git commit. Blah blah blah. Where that clone? Here. Yeah. Git clone. That's what I thought. Clone it. There. Now where you are. Able to just do cd Odin recipes. We can go here, exit out of this. We're going to create our pages, which is going to be various recipes. And we're going to have images representing those recipes. We can do make directory images, make directory recipes. So we have that. Okay. I'm going to download some images. Let's just go to images. Now, normally you want to make sure that you have rights to use these images. And I guess technically I'm making a YouTube video, and I don't have rights to use these images. But I just need some. Let's look at 3 images. Shutterstock. I'm not going to do that. You just want to make sure you have the right use. So let's see. Let's create a pork dish. Right? So we're going to look up a pig. Picture of a pig. Or the fat pig. Alright. I only need a small one. Oh, fuck you. Come on. I hate images. I hate dealing with this. Like, I'm just trying to make something. I'm not trying to actually make money off of this. I can't download that either. Alright. Fuck you. I can do it this way. Save images. You can go in here. I don't actually know where the folder is. Home. Repos, there we go. Odin recipes, images. Oh. Images. And this is PNG. So, image. Images. Okay, let's see if this works. It worked. Okay. So I'm just gonna do it again. This is a JPEG. It'll work. Food to say. Food 3. Food 4. Okay. We have images. Right. I'll rename this Food 1. I'm gonna rename it JPEG. I know, it's just save as and all that conversion stuff. But this isn't about that. This is just a basic website, or basic website we're making on recipes that I'm gonna make up. Okay. So we're gonna go and create our index. All right, we're in Odin recipes, and so we do code index.html. Make sure to spell it right. Starts this up. Create this. We can do Odin recipes. In our title. And then our body is going to be each do a website. It's going to have an image under the heading. Heading you added earlier. An add heading. So we're going to do an image under the heading. Oh, under the heading. Okay, I get you. Barbara Steeds. So, my bad. Checking this stuff out. You can see all my errors if you actually watch this. There you go. Odin recipes. Let's do. Hey, close. Review. /recipe. Oh, /images /food1.jpg. Right? Close that out. call it food 1. Okay. We can save that. And now we have our index. Yeah, we can open them. Okay, I don't know what that is. We're learning. Okay, add more recipes and create the list. So then, this is food 1, right? And so that's our main website that we're working on. And so if we go here and go into recipes and then go to code food1.html, we're going to create a food 1. Open the folder. Odin recipes. We can open that. Save. Okay. We have index, food 1, and their images. So we can see it all. Probably a little better. So we can come back here and do our document. This is food 1. Food 1. Our header. Do history of food 1. Right? And we always got to talk about what this means to us. This food reminds me of life when I was a person, right? Gotta give them context why we love this food. And then we can do an H2 title, and this is going to be food 1 recipe. Right? Make sure we have that title. And here's where we get to the unordered list, right? Because we want, this is what the ingredients, right? Ingredient 1. I don't know how to spell. So I'm going to just double check that. Nope, that's an E. Not too close. Not too close. Right? And I'm just gonna copy because I don't need to type everything. This has a lot of ingredients, right? 4, 5. Okay. Oh, don't need that. And then we've got our ordered list. Right? And this is step 1. Right? I'm going to copy this. It's going to be 5 steps too. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And go back to index. All right. We need a link. It's that's the link, but that's not what the link we need. I'm messed up. Okay, so it's actually food1.html. I want images. I want recipes. Okay. First, I'm gonna put an image here. Image. And I've got as a reference. Oh, we want it as a list. That's right. Weirdness. Okay. So we're gonna do a unordered list. This is our list one. We made 4. Just 2. Okay. So that's over here. And then we'll go back up here and put in an image. Alright. Figure out how to do the image. Image source. Image source. src equals. And then we're going to do dot / images. Right, images, yes. food1.jpg. Right. And we can do, if we want to change the height, well, we'll do alt equals a food one picture. Maybe you can give more descriptive. And the height equals, let's just do that 310, see how that turns out. And then width equals 310. Close that out. No. We'll save all that. And we're going to go to our index, copy that. Got Odin recipes. There's food one. Ingredients. Did not bring up a picture. So, did I not save this? So I messed them up. Probably because I saved it as a JPEG or as a PNG. That has to be what happened. So I can go here. Yeah. Let's rename that to the PNG that it was. Over here. Nope. Well, let's see if see if this works for a second. Food 2. We'll see what happens. Oh, So we're going to change all this to food 2. 2. 2. 2. Save that. Go back. For food 2. Nope, picture's not working. A food 2 picture is all it shows. Instead of the picture. So I'm doing something. Well, let's see if I can fix it and get back to you.
Think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff's going on.
That's
in
2
your life,
dots. Going up.
underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. You have something that's going
Oh, that's a JPEG too.
challenging, painful. It's just
Here we go.
a reminder that you
Horrible
take care
picture.
of yourself.
Okay. I just forgot. If you're gonna go up a directory and calling something out, you need 2 dots. Food 1. Yummy. Food 2. Yummy. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do more of the same real quick. Just to have a this food actually reminds me of when I was a kid. Before this. Okay. Next. Save. The food 1. We got food 2. Food 3. And food 4. Alright, we got our website. Works. I'm not going to upload it. I actually created a better one before. I did this last time. I can show it to you. Here we go. We can do a live preview. So we got chocolate peanut butter chip cookies. These are amazing. I love making them. I did not take this picture, but this is an actual recipe. And then I googled these other recipes. And this is the picture that came with it. So these are real recipes. I recommend you do this if you're going to follow through. I'll only move through it real quick because I've already done it before. But on the CSS stuff, and we go through, I'll be going more seriously through how to do it. But that's HTML. Now we're on to stuff I don't know. So Well, not that I know anything, but we're on to stuff that I haven't started learning yet. So we will do that in the next video. Thanks for following along. I forgot one more thing. We're going to do git add status. Right, we've got these new files, stuff, untracked files. Okay, and then we're going to do git commit duties. Okay, and then it's going to ask us what we did, and we did. So we're just going to go made base website, added 4 links and 4 recipe pages. Alright, and we're going to save that. And when we exit this, and we can go back to this, and it shows that was done. We go here to our website, we can refresh our own recipes. And that's the initial commit. Did it happen? Should have. Oh, yeah, I think it takes a minute. So, let's give it. I'll be back in a minute. Oh, I didn't push. Here we go. Git commit. Oh, I think I did it right. I think I did it in that order. You add, commit, and push. Recipes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Does not add the images. So, let's see. Oh, I'm in recipes. No wonder. The right. We get add dot. And we get status. Yeah. See now, images included and index is added. Just get commit, and then get. Right. Good stuff. And then git push. There we go. Now it's gonna add everything. Yep, images, readme, index, everything. So yeah, see, it has. See, this should be on all of that, but I messed up. But that's okay. All right. On to CSS.